NSC and IM Supremo and Ato Kilonsa of Government of People's Republic of Nagalim GPRN Thungaleng Muivah was accorded a grand and emotional reception at Senapati District Headquarters today, marking the end of his 8-day visit to Manipur. Muivah, who had earlier visited his birthplace Somdal on October 22, arrived at Senapati by helicopter around 10 a.m. and proceeded to the guest house amid cheers from thousands of well-wishers. Over 30,000 people from across Naga-inhabited districts of Manipur gathered to welcome the veteran leader, transforming Senapati into a vibrant hub of celebration, unity and cultural pride. The event was marked by traditional songs, dances and waving of Naga flags as Muivah made his way through the town, which is a symbolic homecoming. Community leaders, youth organizations and delegates from various Naga districts participated with Pongmai Naga Choir presenting a special song. The air resonated with slogans of Long Live Nagalim, Kuknalim at the gathering. Muivah is set to leave Manipur later this evening, wrapping up his historic visit after 50 years.